everyone, welcome to Mystic Queen PH, and for those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for almost 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the major changes happening to you in 2024. And since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely. So I suggest that you get a reading personalized to your unique situation, and I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I've been using Keen for almost a year now, and Keen has helped me whenever I needed clarity and guidance. I have 2 regular psychics that I usually consult with, and they always bring enlightenment in my situation. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading, because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer on Keen, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Virgo, let's see what are the major changes coming to you in 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let's see, Virgo. Major changes in your life for Virgo. Okay. So, you have the 8th house, which is about other people's money. You have Mercury in Capricorn. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong papasuking investment. Pwede rin magsa-start kayo ng business. Some of you, meron kayong inheritance or mamanahin from your ancestors, or someone might be giving you an opportunity to start your own business. Meron din ditong magtatapos na chapter sa buhay ninyo. So, pwedeng kung ano yung current career ninyo or pinagkakakitaan ninyo, pwedeng that's going to end and you will start something new. Can be related to business. And also, maraming opportunities for mga yung loans. Iba sa inyo, you may take out a loan for a business na papasukin ninyo. Pwede ring meron kayong ibebentang properties. Oo, para makapagsimula ng investment or negosyo. You have the Capricorn energy here. So, I think you're going to be more careful din sa mga decisions na gagawin mo. Mercury is the energy of the planet of communication, your thoughts. So, when it comes to making decisions pagdating sa pera mo, very careful ka rin. So, kumbaga, hindi ka papasok sa isang business, investments nang hindi mo talaga pinag-iisipan or hindi mo alam. So, syempre, aalamin mo yan, no? You will try to learn more about how to handle your finances. So, meron talaga ditong energy shift pagdating sa career ninyo. Some of you naman, Pwede ring merong mag-end na relationships or connections. Pwedeng related sa pera ito, no? Pwedeng yung dati yung business partner, naisip nyo na magkaroon na kayo ng separate ways, maghahatian na kayo ng inyong investment, ganyan. And you also have, this is AHWAS. This is about teamwork, your trust. This is also about travel. So, pwedeng meron kang travel opportunities, no? Pwedeng yung iba kaya aalis sa trabaho ngayon, no, because meron kang opportunity sa ibang bansa. Oo, abroad. Ayan. And yung mga yung mga nasimulan ninyo, yung mga nauna pa ninyong investments, businesses, makikita nyo na yung resulta niyan kasi this is going to be rewarding. Meron ditong rewards. This is about a good harvest. So, ngayong 2024, harvest time for you. Ito yung mga a few years back nyo pa na nasimulan. Oo. Example, meron kang farm. So, nung mga nakaraang taon, nagtanim ka ng mga puno, ng mga crops, no? And then, ngayong 2024, dun mo na makikita yung resulta ng mga pinagpaguran mo. Yung mga ineffortan mo, trinabaho mo. And there are a lot of blessings coming in with Gaybo. Gaybo is about opportunities, blessings, and gifts. So, ito yung mga biglaan na blessing na darating sa'yo. Let's see what else. You have the Hierophant. So, this is higher learning, mentorship. So, pwedeng meron din magme-mentor sa'yo or maaring ikaw mismo, through your experiences, meron kang opportunity na makapag-mentor ng iba, maturuan yung iba, mag-coach ng iba, mag-train ng iba. You have the Chariot. So, the Chariot is about, victory, and focusing on where you are headed. So, I think mas determinado ka na marating yung landas na gusto mong tahakin ngayong 2024, especially if this is related to a business or a career na matagal mong dinevelop. Oo, yung iba sa inyo matagal na kayo sa trabaho na yan, sa business na yan. And kumbaga okay naman yung flow, but ngayong 2024 meron kang major accomplishment, no? Major na ma-accomplish ngayong 2024 related to your career or business. You have the Ace of Swords, merong good news. Merong good news. You have the King of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords. So, pwede tong good news sa mga inaasikaso mo sa pera mo, sa business mo, or this is good news about a new job opportunity sa ibang bansa. Let's see. Ano pa? You have the Ten of Swords. So, this makes sense with the endings na sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na maaring may matatapos because you are about to start something new. And itong Ten of Swords na to, this can also mean yung mga struggles mo related sa mga bagay na iniisip mo. Lalo na kung ang career or trabaho mo ay mas mind-driven, yung lagi ka nag-iisip, ang napapagod sa'yo yung isip kesa yung katawan mo. So, yan ay matatapos na. You also have the Six of Wands. This is success. So, definitely, ngayong 2024, marami kang achievements na marirecognize yung talents, yung skills mo, yung iyong mga nasimulan. And some of you are also going to be very popular, no? Famous. Merong energy ng fame dito sa inyo ngayong 2024. Maaring meron kang sarili mong platform na kung saan ipinapakita mo yung skills mo, yung talents mo, you are creating contents, people are enjoying what you can offer to them. And with the Emperor, talagang marami kang business opportunities this 2024 and new plans, no? May mga bago kang plans. Itong plano na to, solid to kasi alam mo kung saan ka papunta. Oo, meron siyang sense of direction. O, diba? With the Eight of Cups, like what I mentioned kanina, you may be ending a situation, leaving a situation na you feel na restricted ka, or you feel na you need to step up and go somewhere else. Na kailangan mo pumunta sa ibang lugar dahil doon mo mas makikilala yung sarili mo. You also have the Five of Pentacles. Some of you may experience challenges in your finances. So, itong challenges na to, yan yung magbibigay sa inyo ng opportunity to think about other ways to earn money. Na tipong, halimbawa, nahihirapan ka sa finances mo. So, syempre, ayun na, may isip mo na makapagnegosyo nga. Or, isipin mo kung paano mo mag-grow yung finances mo. Nurture, allow any anxieties and worries to be gently released and offered up to be healed. Yes. So, yun na nga, yung mga stress na may experience mo ngayong 2024, you will be able to heal from that, lalo na kung alam mo kung paano to i-release through different activities na magbibigay sa iyo ng form of relaxation. You also have here, take time to make clear decisions, bring awareness and light to the situation. Yes. So, ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na related sa mga papasukin yung mga investments or businesses or situation na pag-iisipan mo muna talaga bago mo pasukin. Okay? And then protection, yes, you're going to consider who you allow to take your energy and who you give it away freely. Yes, you're going to protect yourself from energy vampires. Yung mga tao na nagti-take advantage of your kindness, or they take away your energy, lalo na kung sila, mga toxic, no? So, that's why some of you may be leaving a situation, toxic situation, cutting off connections na medyo toxic dahil you are protecting your energies. Ayaw mo na mahawa ka sa kanila. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.